Alright guys, what's up? Lot of exciting things are happening. I've got a bunch of new devices. You can see the new iPhone 12 color variant at the back, also the new OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and you're gonna get all these videos on India Tech over the next week or so. But today, what we're going to talk about is the new iPad Pro 2021 model. Yes, the same one which comes with an M1 chip. We're going to unbox it, so stay tuned till the very end of this video. I'm going to take you through all the features as well. You're watching India Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. Now before I show you the box and the device, I want to address a couple of quick things. We are now verified. Yes, the India Tech YouTube channel is verified, and thank you so much for all your support and love for making this happen. And all of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe and also tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. Also, the new iPad Pro which we're going to unbox today, it can be slightly confusing for a lot of people because there are different variants, loads of variants. You can buy it in either 8GB of RAM or with 16GB of RAM, and that can be clubbed with different storage. So what I will do is I will quickly put the prices of all the variants here so you can check the prices right here and take a call accordingly. Now it's time to unbox the iPad Pro. So this is the new iPad Pro model. This is the 2021 model which Apple has recently launched, and I like how Apple usually keeps the branding very simple. You only get the model name on one side, and at the back, of course, it says that this is the Wi-Fi plus cellular variant, which means that you can connect it to a Wi-Fi. Also, you can use a SIM card. Also, the variant that we have is with 1TB of storage, and the price is also mentioned at the bottom. And this is the 11-inch model, which also mentions whatever comes inside the box. But we'll open the box now and see all of those in-box contents. Alright, then as soon as you open the box, the first thing that you see is, of course, the new iPad Pro. And the color variant that we have is the silver color, as you can clearly see here. There is a dual camera module at the top and Apple's logo at the center, something that I think a lot of you would like to flaunt. Now the variant that I have, it weighs about 468 grams, which means almost half a kg. So this is quite thick and heavy. So that's one thing that you have to keep in mind. You get, of course, 4 speakers on this one, 2 on each side. Also there is a Type-C charging port, so I'm expecting the audio to be quite loud on this variant. There's also power button on the top. Now apart from this, what you get inside the box is, of course, a lot of paperwork, which is usual with Apple. You get a Type-C to Type-C charging cable inside the box. Now this is unlike the lightning cable that you get with the iPhones. Also, very interestingly, you still get a charging adapter with the iPad Pro. Now again, unlike iPhones which have completely ditched the charging brick, you are getting one with this variant. Now moving on to our main unit, what we have here is the silver color variant of iPad Pro. There is, of course, one more color variant, which is the space gray color. So you can choose between either of these color options for this particular product. Now I have set up the iPad Pro, and as you can see here, this one comes with an 11-inch display. Now earlier the iPads and even the other tablets used to have about 8 to 9 inch of screen size, but with 11-inch what you get is a lot of real estate, which is important for streaming content as well as for gaming. There are a lot of pre-installed Apple apps, the usual ones including the App Store, Podcasts, Apple TV. All of that is what you get on the iPad Pro pre-installed. Now this one is a liquid retina display with ProMotion technology, and it also has a fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating, which means that you don't get too many fingerprint smudges on the screen. And it also has an anti-reflective coating, even though I can see some reflection on the screen, and there is 600 nits of brightness. So let's check how the display looks like, and for that, what else is better than playing one episode of Ted Lasso. Now let me take you to the camera app. This one has a dual camera setup. First one is a 12 megapixel camera. The second one is a 10 megapixel ultra wide camera. Now I think most of you are gonna use this iPad Pro or any other tablet for video calls mostly. And this one supports 4K video recording at 20 FPS, 25 FPS, 30 FPS, or even 60 FPS. Now, one interesting thing about the new iPad Pro model is that it comes with an M1 chip. Now, this is the same processor which Apple had introduced with its last year's Mac models, and it is, you can expect a very powerful performance from the iPad Pro, but that's something again we will have a closer look in the coming days. Now, one thing that I'm particularly interested about is the battery capacity on the iPad Pro. Apple, of course, has said that you can get about 10 hours of surfing and other activities if you are continuously running the iPad Pro on Wi-Fi. Now that's something that I will be testing because that's an interesting aspect to look at. So this was our unboxing of the iPad Pro 11-inch model for 2021. As I told you, I am very excited to see the performance and also the battery capacity on this one because it comes with a very powerful chip. So let's see how that all comes along, and I'll give you a full review of the iPad Pro very soon on India Today. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.